This is a pump I made for a little water fountain. There wasn't too many videos of this on YouTube, so I figured I'd make a small video over this. Basically just had an old pump that we got from a yard sale. Mounted it to a piece of wood and got a old barrel looking plastic container. Small little pond pump from Amazon. A small piece of tubing going up in a couple adapters to go into the pump there. Plug it in here so you can see how it works. The pump's like a 400 gallon per hour pump. It seems to work pretty good. Hold on one second here. Seems to work pretty good.